Hello once again and welcome to tutorial number 11 of chapter number 3, and that's deleting branches and public commits. So I'm going to clear here and let's dance around. So git branch, we've seen we have 3 branches with upstream, the master branch with upstream and the one without upstream. We are currently in the with upstream. Okay, so if I do git branch and then trying to see all the details, so -v, we are going to check out which one is being tracked and which one is not being tracked. The first 2 are being tracked because in the brackets I can see whatever file is being tracking them. The third is not. So that's just command to see what is happening between all the branches. If I do git fetch and I do git fetch origin, boom. This is a command that tries to fetch from the online repository. If everything is similar, fine, it will show us. So if we do git branch A to see all the branches we are trying to see, so these are the remote tracking files. Let me see if it's updated the local file. No, it does not, but in the git folder, let me see, let me first compare. These are the changes we did last time. We're going to see all these changes. Just give me a sec. Let me merge and pull these requests, merge all these pull requests, and then I get back to you and we continue. Okay, I have merged everything, so I'm just going to run the command again of git fetch origin. Let's see, depending on the internet, and then if I see, let me first clear, and then if I do git branch -a, let's see everything is here, and then locally, it has put in the master branch with upstream and without upstream. Okay, so let me see if I switch into the master branch. I forgot the name switch, the word switch. Okay, then if I do git fetch origin, let's see if there will be any changes. Okay, no big changes. I was trying to see if it can bring in this branch because we have version 1 that is not being reflected. If you want to do that, you can fetch the exact branch to the local repository. I'm not going to do that. The intention of this is to learn how to delete branches and all that kind of thing. So if we do git branch A, we'll show all the branches. So these are the remote files, okay, and these are the local files. They are all local, but these ones are tracking the different branches that we have locally. Okay, to delete a branch, we will use git branch D. So I want to delete this branch with upstream, so git branch -d, and then the branch is without upstream. Okay, enter, deleted branch. If I do git branch, see, without upstream is gone. Initially we could see it without upstream, but now it's gone. But this is just in the local repo, that's git. We need to reflect the same, because if I refresh here, nothing has happened. We still have without upstream branch. If I want to reflect these changes, I need to put git, because you see the local repo also has without upstream. So git branch delete, then remote, and then if I'm not origin, and then what's the name, without upstream. I hope I'm not wrong. And then it's deleted it. I've seen some changes there. If I go online, it's still there, but if I do git branch -a, it's gone. Okay, so next time when we'll be committing these changes to the online server, it should be able to have deleted it. Okay, then to see all the remote branches alone, I'm going to do git branch r. See, without upstream is gone because I can see all the local tracking files. And then to see, we run git ls remote. See, without upstream is still there. Okay, so to delete that origin from online, I mean this from online, I need to do git push origin, then delete, then the branch name was without upstream, I need it gone as well. Boom. Let's see if that is going to be, if I come and refresh here, it should be gone. I remember well. See, that's it. So the command is git push. You need to push the changes. So we deleted all the local tracking files past the branch itself here without upstream here, but the local file and the local gate system has not reflected online, so we need to also delete online from our local repo. So that's why we use the git push origin -delete without upstream. That's the name of the branch. So this is how you can generally just delete from online. Okay, so to check if it's deleted from online, to check all online branches, we just do git ls remote. It's gone. Okay, which is the same here. As you can see, I'm refreshing. Yeah, it's only these three, which is also here. Yeah, that's it. If you delete a remote branch without deleting the tracking branch, it will delete the tracking branch for you. Okay, what I mean by that is, if I want to delete this with upstream branch from the online repository, this one here. Okay, let me just explain it this way. If I do git branch, then r, it shows me these are with upstream branch, version 1, and master branch. Okay, if I want to delete online, because if I delete it here and I don't delete it online, it will still be there. That's why we had to do the git push and then origin, then -delete, and then name of branch. Okay, but now I want to start with that. Let's just delete this and then we'll check if it's deleted the local tracking file, okay, plus the local branches. So let's do git push. Let's see if this is going to work. Git push origin. What do we want to do? We want to delete. And what are we going to delete? What's the name of the with upstream, right? If I hit enter, okay, it's deleted. If I go and check online, it should have disappeared. Let me check. It's gone. It's deleted. So what I'm going to do is check git branch -r, gone as well. So that's the beauty of deleting it. Online is going to delete, including your local repo. As you see, even the file has disappeared. Okay, so basically that's how you delete branches. Wanted to see if we can do delete local repo, I mean local commit. Let's see if version 1, let me switch to version 1. So git switch to version 1. We switched, right? So if I do a git log and version 1, this is what will happen in version 1. So if I want to delete that commit, I need to do a reset, as we learned before in how to do, what is it called, resets. Yeah, remember, you need to be in that specific branch and whatever you want to commit. Okay, so I'm going to do git reset. And then what are we resetting? We're doing a hard reset so that it also removes whatever we did here on our local repo. You're going to do a hard reset. Then what are we resetting? That is head, and that's whatever is currently on. So we do it now one. Okay, if I hit enter, head is now adding feature 4, and remember it has deleted all the local working files as well. Okay, if you want that to have deleted version 1, the commit for version 1, if you want that to also reflect online as well, I'm going to also push that change. So git push, remember this the relation between Git and GitHub is the push command, push and pull command. But now we've changed locally, we want to reflect the same online. So we are going to do git push origin and the name of the branch, which is what are we? It's version 1, right? That's the branch where we are on. Yes, -1. Boom. It's been rejected. Error, failing to push up references to GitHub Basics update. Were rejected because tip of the current branch is behind. Okay, but fast forwarding. So to reflect this, because it's the remote one always takes precedence before the local repository, so we need to find a way of just pushing this change to online. Let's see if this is going to work. So git push -force and then origin version 1. Boom. Let's see. Voila, it's pushed it. Let's see. So it's pushed our changes to the online repo version 1, and then okay, 12 commits. This is the most recent commit, if I'm not wrong. Let me see what's F87CDAB. 7CDAB, I can see 2 hours ago, 12 minutes ago. Okay, so I'm trying to see my master branch. Let's do version 1, feature 4. Okay, so here it has just reflected on what we did, reflect pack reused. So yeah, that's it's first updated it already, as you can see on version 1. Okay, so that's how to update. Once you've done a hard reset locally, you've removed your branches and all that, you can manage your local repo the way they are supposed to be handled. So you have all the powers to do CRUD, that's create, read, update and delete. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial series, where we will be handling purposefully the relation between Git and GitHub, or not really the relation between Git and GitHub. We'll be handling how people can collaborate using GitHub. Thank you so much, and see you then.